Is your speech sounding robotic, lacking influence?
We specialize in transforming flat vocal patterns into powerful, rhythmic communication.
Welcome back to the Vocal Pulse Lab. Today, we are building your foundation.
Most English learners sound like robots because they focus on the words, but leaders focus on the rhythm.
Our lead instructor, a professional international school teacher, has identified the 50 most critical phrases that define your professional status.
We have designed this drill with a strict 4-second pulse. You will hear the phrase, and then you have exactly 4 seconds to mirror the rhythm, the stress, and the tone.
If you can't keep up, don't worry. That just means your vocal pulse needs tuning. Let's begin.
Before we start the drill, a quick update. The lab is now open for private training.
To maintain international school standards, the lead instructor only accepts 5 private students per week. These are intensive 30-minute sessions to fix your specific rhythm traps.
If you are watching from outside Thailand, scan the global booking code on your screen to secure your spot via PayPal.
For our Thai residents, scan the priority code on the right to connect with us online. You can use PromptPay for instant confirmation.
Now let's get to work. 50 phrases, 4 seconds each. Reset your breath. Phase 1. Status and professionalism.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
I appreciate your time today.
Thank you for joining us.
I've heard great things about your work.
How has your week been so far?
I'm looking forward to our discussion.
Let's get started.
I'd like to introduce my colleague.
It's an honor to be here.
I appreciate the opportunity.
Phase 2. Authority and data.
Let's look at the data.
I see your point, but I disagree.
The main objective is quite clear.
We need to prioritize our goals.
Based on my research, this is the best path.
I'm confident in this strategy.
Let's stay focused on the solution.
That is a valid concern.
We are heading in the right direction.
I take full responsibility for this.
Phase 3. Clarity and momentum.
Could you clarify that for me?
To be honest, I'm not sure yet.
That makes perfect sense.
I'll get back to you on that.
Let me rephrase that for you.
What are the next steps?
I'd like your thoughts.
Let's keep this brief.
Does that align with your vision?
I'll send you an update tomorrow.
Phase 4. Social ease and connection.
That's a very interesting perspective.
I'm happy to help.
What do you usually do for fun?
I've been meaning to ask you something.
That sounds like a great plan.
I completely understand where you're coming from.
Let's catch up soon.
It was great seeing you again.
I'm really impressed with the progress.
You've done a fantastic job.
Phase 5. Closing and leadership.
I look forward to our next meeting.
Let's make it happen.
Please keep me in the loop.
I'll take care of it immediately.
Thank you for your hard work.
It's been a very productive session.
I'm excited about our future.
Let's stay in touch.
Take care and have a great day.
We'll talk again very soon.
50 phrases, 1 foundation. If your tongue feels tired, that is a good sign. You are breaking the robot habit.
Remember, these drills are the gym, but the private lab is where the real transformation happens.
If you found today's 4-second intervals difficult, you don't need more vocabulary. You need a vocal pulse assessment.
Scan the codes on your screen now to secure your spot before the next video drops. Remember, there are only 5 spots available this week.
Master the beat.
Master the room. We will see you in the lab.